Welcome to Gate Snippet video series by Placement Season. Today we will solve problem on CRC. Question will be like, if 100100 data has to be sent, and divisor is 1101 in CRC, then what would be received data if no error occurs? For solving these type of questions, follow some steps. First step, calculate divisor length minus 1. Second, add those number of zeros to the given data. And last, divide new obtained data with given divisor. While division, remember some rules of XOR. And solve the division. You will get reminder, replace last 3 bits of data with this remainder. That will be your answer, that is option C is correct. Stay connected with Placement Season for daily Gate Snippet videos.